everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I am doing a sultry eye look. So if you like what you see, then please stay and watch. Starting off, I'm creating a base for my eyeshadow. I used the Revolution concealer in shade C2 and blend it out evenly. Taking the ABH Modern Renaissance palette, I'll be using Cypress Umber, a rich dark brown. I'll be applying it on my lash line where I'm going to be extending the shadow as if it was creating a wing. Using a fluffy brush, I'm dipping into Raw Sienna, a warm shade, and taking more of Bon Francisco, which is a taupe shade, and blending it on my lid with those two shadows. To blend furthermore, I'll be using Tempera, a white bone shade, under my brow and around the edges of my eyeshadow. I noticed it was a little bit muted, so I added a bit more of Raw Sienna. And followed up with Cypress Umber, which was that chocolate brown, to give back that rich color that we started off with. Taking a flat brush, I'm going to use Antique Bronze, a shimmer, to spice up the look. I still wanted to add a bit of brightness, so I topped it off using Vermeer, which is like a white shimmer, on my lid. I also used Vermeer in my inner corner and on the brow bone to brighten and lift those areas. I'm applying the ABH black liner in order to line my lashes and creating a wing. Next, I'll be curling my lashes. My lashes naturally look straight down, and I can't have that if I'm going to be using fake lashes. So to help keep them lifted, I'll be using the AOA Fat Lash Mascara. I'm using these lashes in the style Jean from AOA Studio, and they're Faux mink lashes. Going back into the palette, I'm using Cypress Umber underneath my lower lash line. Blending it out with Raw Sienna. I'll be using my black liner and making a thin line to intensify the look. Alright, so they might look a little bit different in shape just because I lined this one I think a bit closer to a waterline than this, because it's my first time like lining underneath, like underneath the waterline. So I think this one came out better, but I think that's the only difference. But everything else is mostly the same, so I'm just gonna bring it a little bit closer to look at my eyes. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you liked my video and how I created this very sultry eye look. Alright, so please remember to comment down below and let me know what you thought about this eye look or what you like to see me do in the future. And also please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Bye!